Okay, I have my Google Sheet over here, and I already created the table that I want to use. But don't be concerned about the content of the table, right? Because that's not what we want to do today. Okay, so I already have a table, but and every time we already know that every cell has its own so-called name, which is over here. Okay, so you have all these cells over here. But you can actually name a range of the cell. All right. So I can actually select all these here. Let's say select all these here. But instead of calling it B3 to B12, I can just call it, all right, let's say approach. So okay, so approach and done. And now this is referred to as approach. See, whenever I select approach, it comes back because it understood this is actually approach and it will be listed here. If you do not want to see, of course, you can always hide it. Right? This make things a lot more organized and in many cases a lot more useful.